Good morning, everybody. In today's episode, we're back in some more Offroad Outlaws. And today's episode, we're going to be playing around just a little bit with their second-gen Dodge and my S10 C10. I would like to say C10 because I built one while back. This is C10, but I didn't really like it too much. So we're going to be taking it to a shop. I will say there's going to be another video. I'm going to make a video tomorrow as well. And I know I'm giving all promise this time. I'm back to my normal schedule now. And I'm posting just about daily as fast as I can. Get it down great second gen right here. Technically, I ought to speak better. The second gen does, because technically, this right here is the second generation. We don't need to add a gas pump. Alright. This thing looks sick. I will say Offroad Outlaws needs to add a 1999 Ford F350 as well. I want to say that. I want to say they need to add a Crown Vic for the barn finds. They need to add little by little, every so often, something just different. That would be amazing. I will be doing a Chevy Love build though tomorrow. I said gas, I'm so sorry. Wait, look at this truck. Let me drift this thing. Not at all. I can jump it. Can't drift it. if you make a secondary one of these, not the slim version, well, a lifted version, or like a stock version, I want lifted, stock. That'd be pretty cool as well. This thing is heavy too, by the way. It's a little sluggish. Just wish it would turn. Still a beautiful, awesome, amazing truck right there. Thanks, Don. That's why you have a winch. I figured that was going to do that. That's fine. Nothing left. This is a nice, clean, second gen Cummins. Just wow. I'm amazed. This is also a top speed truck. This one right here, if you look at the YouTube short, it goes 198. And it's got a small tune on it. Manual tune that I put in here. And I tuned the gear ratio a little bit of the top end gear so that it goes a little bit further. There's a normal top speed for this truck is like 150. And I'm going to hit a wall. Guardrail. NOS second and third gear like a stop, and it still doesn't do a wheelie. But 198 mile an hour, this thing gets it. this ain't no flex monster either. We're gonna try to. I mean, she got some flex. This is all two-wheel drive, by the way. Yeah, she got me good idea. If I had my other truck there, that'd be freaking awesome. And I can do that. There we go. That is sick. Well, hope everybody enjoyed the video for today. For the updates and all that's coming up for my channel. Smaller things here and there still, top notch. We're starting back up on my schedule. You know, we're gonna get back on. Put in the comments whether or not you want me to do more Offroad Outlaws videos, more No Limit videos. I know these had No Limit updates, so I'll be doing a couple update videos for that as well. Top notch here and there, nothing missed, nothing skipped. It's gonna be there, there, there. Hope everybody has a great and blessed day. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.